think you can take me? Come on and have a go if you think you're hard enough. Hey, Spider. Wanna go a few rounds?
Trust me, it'll only take one.
Find cover.
You're finished, freak! Ready to die, creep? You can run, but
Avoid the spotlight, Spider-Man. If you hide in the shadows, perhaps he cannot track you.
here comes a little Chicago. Here comes a little Chicago lightning.
Try to sneak up behind him.
You're going in the hat. You chicken, just try it. Time to cut you down. I'm gonna fill you. Come out wherever you are. Can you face me? You're gonna die bloody. I'm gonna fill you. You're in trouble. Eat lead, Spider. Stage going. I'll blow this whole place. Catch. Let the daylight. Oh, I'm broke. Feel that punk? Here comes a little Chicago lightning. Take that. Looks like I've got a little... No more. Please, please. I give.
Had enough, huh? Now hand over that rock.
Sucker.
Oh, cheap shot.
See that sourpuss Hammerhead was sporting?
I ain't seen him that man. He caught Snake Boston pulling his contortionist act with Janice Foswell. You heard about Fancy Dan?
Fancy Dan, the ladies' man?
They found him in a garbage can.
Fancy Dan.
Check it! It's the spider guy!
Ah, horse.
Hey, what was that? He ain't getting away.
Who else wants some?
This is not what I foresaw.
Phew.
You see that sourpuss Hammerhead was sporting?
I ain't seen a Batman since he caught Snake Marston pulling his contortionist act with Janice Foswell. You heard about Fancy Dan?
Fancy Dan, the ladies' man?
They found him in a garbage can.
Oh, man. Fancy Dan.
We done yet?
Not what I needed.
You spider. That insect crawled off. Find him. I don't see him anywhere.
That's all she wrote.
And along comes the spider. I had a feeling you'd make short work of those other jerks. This might be a little more difficult for you. 5 of my best triggermen, 5 hostages. And you're such a bleeding heart, you'll want to rescue them, won't you? Good luck. My boys spot you, even for a second, and you'll wake up in hell.
You're a pip, Hammerhead.
Sayonara, creep.
The floating head lady sure walked me into it this time. Gotta grab the shadows and make my play. Take these palookas down one by one. The train yard. Normally this place would be alive with the sounds of working men doing honest labor. Tonight, it's a den of thieves.
What's the deal with that rock thing? Chunk of stone.
No one.
Thanks for getting me, Spider-Man.
So you're resting.
He came over real sleepy.
You're Spider-Man! Get me out of this!
More people trapped.
I thought I was a goner.
Shit, like anybody's gonna mess with Osborn.
Time to crash out.
I guess my little piece was too hard for you, huh?
That was amazing. Hey, can I have your...
Think the Spider-Man will show?
He's in there somewhere. You'll find him. He'll find you.
Blast it!
Save me! Someone save me! Save me! Someone save me!
Didn't see that coming, did you?
Spider-Guy, let me loose! You're the Spider-Man, right? Get me out of this! That was amazing! Can I have your...
I'll get you out of there. Don't-
Let's be honest. You're lucky you even made it this far. Really think this can last much longer? I guess my little game was too hard for you, huh? I'm starting to think you ready.
I'll get you out of there. Don't worry.
Spider-Man, right over there!
Blast it!
Where's Spider-Man go?
Gone? He can't be gone.
He ain't getting away.
here to help. Say goodnight.
You sure pulled my fat ass.
Good work.
You want this, tough guy? Come and take it. Just you and me. Mano a mano.
That suits me fine.
Finish him, boys!
You miserable lying snake! You're out of here! I'll dish it out all night.
Idiots, I want this done! Bring in the big gun!
More guns? He means this guy. Sharp outfit. What are you supposed to be? The strong silent type. Gotcha. Relax. This won't hurt a bit. Oops, I lied. Right in the kiss. Who else wants some? Snap. Say uncle. Go back to bad guys. When you say that was your best guy, what else you got?
Nuts to this. Let's beat it.
Right behind you.
Yeah, run away.
You idiots! You're all worthless!
I'm coming for you, Hammerhead. Time for that mano a mano we talked about earlier. This show is going easy. Only one more left to play now. The power of the fragment.
I should have used this rock sooner. First, I'll get rid of you. Then, I'll get rid of Osborn. I'll own this town. Ready for a real fight, tough guy?
Mister, I was made for it.
Oh, yeah. I can make a habit of this.
Dry up.
Feeling Jake now.
Says you. You're all wet. You slow me. Try it. Says you. I'm sick of your baloney.
It's not gonna be
And some for you. You're all wet.
Thank you, Spider-Man. The floating head lady appreciates your assistance.
Yeah, sorry about that.